Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by stock investing? Maybe you've opened a trading app, stared at endless charts and numbers, and thought, where do I even start? Well, what if there was a tool that simplified investing, gave you AI-powered guidance, and even helped build a portfolio tailored to your goals? That's exactly what today's deal delivers, and it's called Sterling Stock Picker, now available as a lifetime deal on Stack Social. Sterling Stock Picker, or SSP, is an award-winning stock analysis platform designed to make smart investing simple. Instead of spending hours crunching numbers, SSP does the heavy lifting for you with its patent-pending North Star technology. This basically tells you whether a stock is a buy, sell, hold, or avoid, so you don't have to guess. And here's the best part, you also get access to Finley, your personal AI financial coach. You can literally ask Finley questions about your portfolio or the stock market and get personalized advice in plain English. Here's what makes Sterling Stock Picker stand out. Personalized stock picks, tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Done for you portfolio builder. Just answer a few questions and SSP builds a diversified portfolio for you. AI-driven insights. Get financial, technical, growth, and risk analysis without drowning in spreadsheets. Stock rockets. Discover high-growth companies with 50% plus quarterly revenue growth. Community plus education. Weekly insights from the founder, a learning hub, and a chat forum so you're never investing alone. Basically, it's like having a stock research team and financial coach in your pocket without paying thousands a year. So who should grab this? If you're a beginner investor and want guided, easy-to-understand stock picks, if you're a busy professional who doesn't have hours to research every stock, or even if you're a seasoned investor looking for smarter tools to spot growth opportunities, Sterling Stock Picker really balances simplicity with powerful insights. And this isn't just theory. Real users are seeing results. One user reported a 32% portfolio gain in their first year using SSP. Another achieved over 200% returns thanks to its guidance. Plus, Sterling Stock Picker actually won a SaaS award for outperforming the market averages. Normally, this software would cost you $486, but right now on Stack Social, you can grab lifetime access for just $68. That's 85% off, one-time payment, no subscription. If you've been waiting for an affordable way to invest smarter with the help of AI, this is your chance. I'll leave the deal link in the description below. Make sure to check it out before it sells out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and drop a comment with any questions about SSP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.